Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a buyer shipping address on Etsy. Buyer entered the wrong shipping address on Etsy. Here's the correct way to fix it. Now before we start, in order to access the Etsy website, you're just going to go and type in Etsy like this and click on the website. Now if you want to be a seller on Etsy, you're just going to click on your profile icon. Then you're going to click on sell on Etsy here. You're going to click on get started. And then you're going to set up your shop. You're going to follow the prompts here and fill in the information like this. You can click about what category you're interested in buying, and then you can click on start the shop. Now, in order to do that, you're going to complete these informations, etc. The second thing is to know that you're going to have to check the order status. You're going to go to the shop manager inside the Etsy buyers program, and then you're going to click on the order in question. Once you click on it, the best practice, if you haven't shipped the order, message the buyer and ask them to confirm the new address inside Etsy. And the third thing is to best practice cancel and repurchase. For full protection, you can cancel the order and have the buyer place a new one with the correct address. To confirm with the buyer, then we cancel the order and tell the buyer to repurchase the product. And if already shipped, if the item has already shipped, you cannot change the address. The buyer may need to contact the carrier directly. Now, never ship to an address sent only through personal emails and keep communications on Etsy. And that's how you properly change buyer shipping address on Etsy. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.